This video covers the essential information you need to know about adding content to your portal. Your community portal is capable of displaying and relaying to your users virtually any type of content imaginable, from plain text and simple data entry fields to uploaded files to a variety of content such as formatted text, images, and videos, as well as adding URLs. Where can you do all of this? Let's take a look. Content may be added on the introduction and the I'm Here To shortcuts, both of which appear on the home page of your community portal. In addition, within Plan Setup, there are a number of screens where content may be added. Finally, it may be added in the enrollment campaign screens. With such a wide selection of resource types on such a diverse set of screen purposes, where to begin on each screen and how it's entered varies and depends on the screen's purpose and design. For example, adding content to the general introduction screen occurs by first navigating to that screen and simply entering the information here, which is the free-form text editor. Here not only can you add text, but you can also add hyperlinks, embedded videos, images, and formatted text. Other screens require you to locate either the Add control or the Click Here control in order to add content. Within Plan Setup, the place where your benefit plans are added, you may also be required to select Preview Edit or the Add Edit control before being able to add your content. Depending on the setup screen and its purpose, you may also see an override control, which exists whenever you find default text that you can replace. Wherever an override control exists, you must select it, then scroll down and select Save in order to retain your changes and for your new content to appear in your portal for your users to see. Often after selecting the Add or Here To control, you'll see up to 3 types of resources available to choose from. These are File Upload, Freeform Text, and URL. However, if a particular type of resource is not appropriate for the setup screen you're on, it will not appear in the drop-down box. For example, adding forms to a portal can be done either through the File Upload control or through a URL link. This means the freeform text feature is unnecessary and therefore is not available. On the other hand, on the home screen of your portal, you have the ability to customize the initial introduction, which again can be text, an image, an embedded video, or some combination. This is not a location where a linked URL or an uploaded file should appear. As a result, those are not available. So when you navigate to it, you are taken directly to a freeform text editor where you can override the home page, general introduction, and customize your greeting to your users. Now let's take a look at the file upload. File upload allows you to add a variety of file types. These are PDF, Word, PowerPoint, and Excel files, as well as WMV and MPEG video files. Selecting File Upload takes you to this screen where you can not only choose the file on your computer, but also select the effective date it should appear on your portal and the title that your users will see. Some setup screens also offer an expiration date, which is when it ceases to appear on your portal. Freeform text is the next option. However, that is covered separately, so we're going to skip it for now. Your final option is adding a URL, which lets you add a hyperlink that when a user selects it, opens a new browser window and navigates to that web page. Finally, here are a few tips. If your portal is live and you want a resource to be immediately visible, change the effective date to the day before. Another tip has to do with the expiration date. Again, not all setup screens display it. For example, the plan setup screens, which follow dates set up for your entire plan to drive whether or not it is visible, doesn't require it. If you do see it, know that this is not a required field. If left blank, that resource will always be visible.